So now we discuss some of the questions from transition elements and also for complex compounds or coordination compounds from Comet K, which are appeared in the previous entrance exams, which are very important. One thing you have to remember from these particular questions, every time from transition elements and complex compound, every time 3 questions are appearing. So you concentrate more on these particular 2 topics, transition elements and complex compounds. We will discuss what are the questions appeared in the previous entrance exams in this particular Comet K. Now question number 1. IUPAC name of the complex is. What is the complex is given? C, Cr, Cl2 NH2 taken 4 times. Cl2 NH3 taken 4 times. NO3. This is the complex given. Let us name this actually according to our IUPAC naming, tetramine dichloro chromium 3 nitrate. Let us check the options. Answer is what? Tetramine dichloro is said. Tetramine dichloro chromium 1. No, actually oxidation number coming to be 3. Coming to option B, dichlorotetramine. Amine has to come first, later on only chloro. Therefore, it said dichloro. That is also not correct. Coming to C, tetramine dichloro chromium 4 nitrate is said. Actually, oxidation number 2 negative, 1 negative. Total coming to be oxidation number 3 only. Then option D you come. Tetramine dichloro, yes, tetramine dichloro chromate chromium. Tetramine dichloro chromium 3 nitrate. Chromium 3 nitrate. This is the correct answer. So for question number 1, answer is D. Coming to question number 2. Question number 2. Coordination number of nickel in nickel trace oxalato complex is given. Trace oxalato. Yes, you know, oxalato ligand is what bidentate. 3 times it is there. Then total number of chemical bonds around the nickel is actually 6. Coming to option A, it is what? 3. And B is given as 12. And C is given as 6. And D is given as 4. In this particular complex, what is given the complex? Nickel C2O4 taken thrice. O4 taken thrice. And this is what is given is minus 4. Minus 4. Yes, it is plus 2 complex, we agree. And 3 oxalato ligands, each is bidentate. Therefore, coordination number coming to be 6 only. So, for the question number 2, question number 2, the answer is C. Coming to question number 3. Which of the following metal ions is colored? See, once a question on colored, clearly observe the options given. Which metal ion is carrying unpaired electrons? Coming to option A, titanium plus 4. You know, titanium plus 4 is what? D0, no unpaired electron. Coming to B, vanadium plus 4. Vanadium plus 4. Vanadium atomic number, vanadium, that is equal to 23. It is what? D3S2. What is given? Vanadium plus 4 is given, right? Vanadium plus 4. 4 electrons lost. How many unpaired electrons remaining? 1. But I said, wherever a metal ion is carrying unpaired electrons, yes, that will be exhibiting color. So coming to copper plus 1. Copper plus 1 is D10. Coming to D option, Zn plus 2 is D10. Option A and C and D, they are not carrying any unpaired electron. Only in the option B, vanadium plus 4 carrying D1 configuration, 1 unpaired electron. Therefore, that definitely exhibit color. So here answer is B. Question number 4. Question number 4. An example for the complex anion is seen. The bracket part should be what? Anionic. Coming to option A, hexamine platinum ion. Hexamine platinum ion. C, cupramonium ion. And C, ferrocyanide ion. And hexammonium chromium ion is in. Hexamine chromium ion is in. Now, option C, if you consider ferrocyanide ion is said. Ferrocyanide. Generally, we write ferrocyanide like this. Ferrocyanide ion. This is carrying what? Negative charge. Therefore, The question number 4, answer is what? C. Ferrocyanide, Fe plus 2, then it is what? Answer C. Coming to question number 5. The hybridization of nickel in nickel tetracarbonyl is nickel tetracarbonyl. Yes, simply written, that is right, nickel tetracarbonyl. We are thoroughly discussing about this particular complex in our discussion about in the complex compound tetracarbonyl. What actually nickel is what? 28. 28 means what? D8S2. Since in this particular nickel is with a 0 oxidation number, nickel is 0. Since it is strong field, electrons are pushed to d orbitals. In this particular complex, D is becoming D10. Definitely it is sp3 and tetrahedral. So let us see the options now. The nickel tetracarbonyl, this is the complex, then sp3 and tetrahedral. So hybridization of nickel in the nickel tetracarbonyl complex is definitely it is sp3. So answer is A.